in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to enter into safe mode on your HP laptop, tablet, or desktop computer. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all I have to do is select the start button, select the power icon, and then hold down the shift key on your keyboard and select restart. Now, if you're unable to boot into Windows, just do a hard power off 3 times in a row, meaning just turn on your computer and then hold down the power button to turn it off, and then allow for the troubleshooting menu to open up or the start repair, which will lead to the troubleshooting menu. So just give it a moment here, and then we'll all be on the same page. Select Troubleshoot, reset your PC, or see Advanced Options, and then select Advanced Options. Select Startup Settings, change Windows startup behavior, and then select Restart. At this point, you would tap the F4 or function 4 key to enter or enable safe mode. If you wanted to enter in with networking, as in with an internet connection, you could tap the F5 key, for example, or just with a command prompt, you could do F6, and that's pretty much it. So, as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.